dude. I ran out of juice. In the middle of helicoil on this freaking thing. And place that gasket. Dude, where is my flashlight? Now it's got the gasket back in there, no more silicone. Helicoil, that stripped out bolt that was siliconed in there. Click, click. Click, click. Boom shakalaka. Mark those bolts. Alright. That stuff in there. Gotta get this after cooler on here. Good times. Now I get to go carry that freaking thing down here. Now where? Oh, fucking where it is.
What's that right there?
That's the boost pipe.
Oh, you already got that thing put in?
Yeah.
Does that have to be torqued into?
I mean, yes. You should. I did the click click. I did the Guten tight. Guten tight.
I went over there to get my smokes and pads. Like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm over there watching him do shit, like trying to learn something. I mean, it's a lot of shit that, you know, it's simple, it's common sense, but it's some of the things that you don't know what you're doing, I wouldn't fuck with it.
Yeah. Better say it's not your daddy's Detroit. Back in the good old days. Everything's just so out of control these days.
You know what an international is?
Yeah.
Truck. Square body.
Yeah.
I used to have one of those.
Yeah, with like the 7.3 in it.
Had a
six
shift.
My son is crazy about those trucks.
The internationals?
The square bodies.
I got it because it set out there at this old farm, you know. And I asked him, I said, "What are y'all doing with that thing?" He's like, "Well, there's something wrong with it. It doesn't run." It's like me. I took the fucking, you know, started taking shit apart and just going through it and this and that.
Yeah.
It's amazing what just a couple little things that you do, and the next thing you know, it's running.
Yep. Some people, man, they just like, I don't know. It's either they don't want to get into it or they, I don't know.
I got that thing for $5 grand. That was back in the day. I was in high school.
Oh shit.
What's that crap?
It's just grease. Just hold this thing in here.
Surprised you got that cart all the way down here.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass.
Huh?
It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. But now I gotta go get that freaking aftercooler, man.
Is that what goes in next?
Yeah. Oh. No. This goes in next. You forget to put this in, you're F. You're in a bad way.
What the hell's that?
It's a coolant pipe. But if you forget to put it in, you're screwed. There's no way to do it without pulling the shit apart, man. I had one of my guys, he put all the shit back together, like every fucking thing, and then it's like, oh, the pipe. It's like, yeah, man, you ain't getting that fucking pipe back in there. He's like, yeah, I am. Watch me. And then, nope, wound up having to pull all the shit apart. It's like, not cool. This thing sticks out like a sore thumb, huh? It's like the nicest looking thing on this engine.
I was about to say, why does that thing look nice?
It was like hammered, like half this shit, man. I mean, all this stuff is just... That's what someone needs to get into, is detailing engines, man.
Damn sure ain't me. I don't fit in very good in some places.
Yeah, some it sucks, but...
Like I said, on that Lures, when I was doing a lot of that shit, I had to be careful how I went in and make sure I was getting out the same way I went in.
Yeah, you don't want to get stuck.
I guess they're going to go out and freeze their asses off.
Is that the whale people or is that the cops?
Fucking Navy.
Oh, the Navy?
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck. Have fun. They're
What kind
hard.
of boat do you have?
I have a no-boat boat.
Oh. You have one, huh?
No, I did. I had a Parker. I sold it. I'm good, you know. I really am. That's why, what was it, Memorial Day? I called Pat and he took me fishing, me and my wife and my son.
This year?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I remember that.
Was it 4th of July? I think it was something like that.
It was an afternoon trip, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yep, as my wife wanted to do something together. I'm like, all right, let's go fishing. Fuck it. You know, I don't know what.
I've met women that like to go fishing and shit like that. There's not very many of them that fucking, they want to go, but they're just like, they want you to do everything.
Yep. Yep.